Okay. For example, differences between MISSOVER and TRUNCOVER. Okay. Hmm. Now, copy as path. You know, right? Just by using infile statement, I am importing. Just copy. As we are using copy as path, along with the quotation mark, it will copy. Copy. So I want to import this data, guys. This is my, listen carefully. This is my input data. I want to import exactly if it is a 5 numbers. Okay. See, guys, by using input statement, we can assign length, right? Did you remember we discussed directly within the input statement also we can set length, but there is one character we are going to use. Which character?
Colon.
Wonderful. So colon modifier we are going to use, guys. If you use colon modifier, see, we'll get output 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, everything. This one we know that. No need to discuss. Using colon modifier means up to 5 bytes. 5 bytes is my length. Till 5 bytes, just read my data. Okay, fine. This one. Without a colon modifier also we can set length in the input statement, guys, actually. I said right, related to this one. Without colon modifier length. Did you remember? Where I explained column input method. Yes, I think here only. This one. Did you remember, guys? Without colon modifier, without length, if you use length, what is the difference? Using colon modifier, without colon modifier, if you use length in the input statement, what is the difference? See, if I use colon modifier, what is going to happen? Tell me. Can I get complete name here? Here there is a confusion starts, right? But because existing class, I am asking again. Colon modifier 20 characters of length means if I run this program, can I get complete name? Or else what might be output?
You have to use ampersand sign for this.
I'm not uh, asking about any ampersand and all. If I run this program with percentage, with colon modifier and length, what might be output? What do you think? Anyone? Come on, guys.
Can you repeat the question, sir?
This is my question. If I run this program, what might be my name variable value?
20.
I'm using colon modifier and
20.
20 characters of the length I'm using. Yes, Vaishnavi, tell me.
Full name
We
showing
can take
20,
immediate.
20,
I think we can
25.
display.
So full name will get, right, Vaishnavi?
Yeah.
Silpa, you are saying something?
Without
Same.
the color modifier, that space will like it will be taken only until that space.
Until the space only. First name only it is going to take, right, Silpa?
Mhm.
Rajendra Prasad 20 bytes. No. Silpa said right answer, guys. Remaining all? No. So if you use colon modifier 20 bytes, which is very similar to length only, na? Length 20 characters. If you use length 20 characters, there is a space delimiter. Until delimiter only, even if you use 32,767 characters, till space only, till delimiter only, it is going to read. I said many times, not 20 characters of the name. Of course, 20 characters length. Length is 20 bytes, but it will not read 20 characters of the name. Till space only, it is going to read. When it is going to read along with space, two cases. One is using ampersand symbol, it is going to read. Then ampersand symbol will tell to SAS till 20 characters without checking any delimiter. Just read my data. Am I right? All of you agree with me? By using ampersand till 20 characters without checking the delimiter, just read my data blindly. This is one case. Another case, without ampersand, without colon modifier, till 20 characters, just read my data. I said, guys, I said already. Check this video, existing video. Topic, which day it is, maybe 12 or 13 or something. Questions. So why I'm asking again is here, see, with the colon modifier, it is reading everything here. Without colon modifier, if I use 5 dot while reading the data from external file, see the output, you may surprise. What's going on? Why it is reading alternative records? What is your data? Right? So using direct length means without colon modifier, I want to read exactly 5-digit number values only. I don't want remaining all. For example, there is a mobile number. Exactly if it is a 10-digit mobile number, I want to do remaining all either greater than 10 numbers or below 10 numbers. That is not a valid mobile number. Mobile number should have 10 digits. For example, there is a ICICI bank account number you are reading. So account number, it should reach around 12 digit number. 12 digit number, it is valid. Otherwise, it's invalid. Okay, while reading the data, I am going to use specific length. If it is length is matching, then only I want to read. Yes, I am using without colon modifier. If we use a direct length, that means if it is a 20 characters, just read. Okay. So if it is a 5 characters, just read my data. But why, Balu? These are not 5 characters, but still it is reading. These are not 5 numbers, these two, but why it is reading? I will explain. That is flow over nature of this as. First, it is checking, guys. Is this 5 digit number? No, it is not matching. So then it will check. So as it is not 5-digit number, it will jump to the next line to pick the next available value. Okay, next available value is also not matching 5 digit. But as first attempt file, next attempt it will read data directly. It will not check the 5-digit or not. First attempt only it will check is it 5-digit number or not. If it is not, it will jump to the next line value it will check. Same story happened here also. So after reading double two, it is jumping to the next line to read this value. Is this 5-digit? No, it's not matching 5-digit. Next one it is reading direct. But when it's come to this one, yes, exactly 5-digit number. So it's reading. So what happening here? SAS is jumping to the next line to read the next available value as length is matching. So for that, to stop SAS without jumping to the next line, which option we are going to use? So here SAS is jumping to the next line, guys. So without jumping, how to control SAS? Tell me. Which option, guys?
Stop.
MISSOVER.
Miss over.
MISSOVER only now we are discussing here. Okay, when SAS is jumping to the next line without jumping to the SAS to stop, we are going to use MISSOVER. Just use MISSOVER. Anyone just guess? If I use MISSOVER, what is going to happen? Come on. How many records it will return to the output data set?
Only one
It
record.
will,
Only one record. Wonderful. Remaining
it's
all?
It will not take. It will truncate.
Remaining all? Missing.
missing.
Okay.
Missing.
MISSOVER always it will set missing. Yes. Hmm. Submit. See your output. Okay, MISSOVER option will set missing as a 5 digit is not matching always. Previous case, SAS default nature flow over. So as one number is available, it is jumping to the next line to read the next continuation values. So it is reading as it is. First, see, I know this is bit confusion. To try to understand. First attempt once fails. Second attempt it will not check length, guys. Just it is going to read the value. That's it. Okay. So first attempt it is checking. Next attempt it is reading the value. But this one, yes, exactly matching. It's reading. Next case, this one. So this is MISSOVER. MISSOVER, if it is length is exactly matching, then it is going to read. But whereas coming to the truncover, not like that. Truncover, not like that. Truncover, without checking any length, it is going to read all records, guys. All records it is going to read. Then what is the use of truncover ball here? We are not reading exact valid number. Unnecessary numbers also it is reading. What scenario we are going to use truncover? I will explain an example. But remember, MISSOVER and truncover, the main difference is when you are reading data with specific length, if length is matching, then only MISSOVER it is going to read. Whereas coming to the truncover, without checking any length, as it is, all records it is going to read. Very, very important point, just remember. And what is the use of truncover? For example, simple one I will explain. There is a mobile number. Okay, you are taking new account or you are joining as at hospital to take some tests or whatever it is. There is a mobile number column you are going to fill, right? For example, if you are coming from India, +91 and 6.981239 something. Some of the people they are going to use along with country code. Some of the people they are going to use while entering the mobile number just 0. Some of the people even they are not going to enter 0 or +91, direct number only. Let's assume like this you have 3 different mobile numbers, guys. So as you know that mobile number 10-digit number only valid if you go with the 10-digit mobile number while reading the data with MISSOVER. How many records it is going to read? Exactly 10-digit mobile number if you use while reading the data. How many records? Just only one record it is going to read, right? Because this one 10-digit, this is 11-digit and this is 13-digit. Am I right, guys? If you go with MISSOVER, see MISSOVER, if you go with 10-digit length, exactly one record only it is going to read, remaining all not matching, missing. But how can you say that these are invalid mobile numbers? Is this invalid mobile number? No, right? All are valid mobile numbers only with country code or zero or without country code. All are valid mobile numbers only. Very first, we need to read everything. As a developer, you need to read everything. After that, by using your data cleaning techniques, try to separate last 10-digit mobile number by using your conditional processing or whatever it is. But before that, we need to read. Got it? Am I clear, guys? Okay. So, such kind of scenario, we are going to use trunk over while reading the data. First, we are going to read everything as it is. After that, we are going to separate last 10-digit mobile number. Sometimes MISSOVER will help you, sometimes trunk over. This is difference between MISSOVER and trunk over. Questions? Any questions here?